Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio, and today I am finishing up or starting over, whichever way you want to put it, my book for the Sketchbook project. So, if you've seen the previous videos, you know this was not my original idea, but I had 2 days to get it completed, and I was like way behind. See the poor swan? Bye, swan. It disappears too. So I decided I was just gonna do a jelly print session and just go for it. So I show you a little bit of the jelly print process that I do for the sketchbook, and then I'll do a walkthrough at the end. I don't think it needs a lot of explaining. As you can see, I'm using a small one that fits just perfectly in the sketchbook. And you have to flip it over to push it down really well. Anyway, so I'm going to just let the music play and play around with my jelly plate and create this sketchbook because I have 2 days to get it in the mail or it will miss the deadline. Alright, I hope you enjoy watching. So if you want to do the sketchbook project, they are doing a new one for the next year. So, I mean, you would have plenty of time to order it and create it. And I'm having mine digitally recorded, so it will be online, available online at some point. And if by the time I get this video uploaded, if they have the link to it, I will link it so you can go see it and say you like it so that it'll be more popular. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, so this, I believe, is the end of the making it, and here is the walkthrough of all the pages. I used stencils by Gina Aaron, stamps from Seth Apter, and lots of random supplies that I had. But I really like how this turned out. It made me really happy. I ignored the fact that it said you shouldn't paint in acrylic on the suggestions. So this is, almost 100% acrylic. I didn't have any Daddy Van's wax to rub into the pages, but I hurried and bought a candle before I stuck it in the mail and rubbed all the pages with a white candle, hoping, because they weren't really sticking, but hoping that would be good enough to keep them from sticking. I would have liked to have had the wax, but, it is what is it. It is what it is. So that is about the end of it. I hope you liked that. If you did like it, please hit like, feel free to share, comment, and if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.